Namaskaram. It's a cold and gloomy Monday morning and you just don't feel like getting out of your warm bed. Most of us love winters, but it's the getting out of bed that is the difficult part, isn't it? We tend to feel lethargic and want to stay in bed in the cold. Don't worry, it is absolutely normal. We understand that as winters approach, a layer of chill slowly engulfs us and puts the world in a state of dormant slumber. Think of the animals that hibernate to escape the cold. It is the nature here that is at play. So, how can we do things that make us more active and sprightly in the cold? The first thing to do is to be out and about. Although I'm sure that just the very thought of getting out of your warm razai gives you the shivers, it is good to get up at your usual time in the summer. Okay, maybe give yourself half an hour extra maybe, and go for your walk or your jog or your yoga practices. You need to be active to build your immunity and avoid getting sick. It's tough, but fret not. We're here to help you with some easy things to do to strengthen your immunity and stay healthy in the winters. Many people consider winter as the flu season or full of contagious illnesses. There's no denying that runny noses, sneezing, coughing, and fevers are rampant in the winters. It is because of this, it is often believed that winters take a toll on your immunity. So let's see how we can help build a good immune system. First, it is important to get enough rest. Yes, that's right. Sleeping enough is important in every way imaginable. Winter has long nights and shorter days, giving you ample time to rest. So going to bed early and rising early can help you create the perfect balance within your system. The next thing you can do is relieve the stress you keep bottled up. You may face a lot of stress at your workplace, or maybe you have other problems that really stress you out. Shorter days in winters mean less time for some things, and this can also add to your regular stress. Try to plan and organize your days so that you can finish everything you've set out to do. Sit in the sun for a little while, spend time with your loved ones, and do more things that you like to do to reduce your stress levels. This can help you avoid the clutter in your mind and reduce anxiety. The third way is to exercise. I know that it's probably the last thing you would want to do on such gloomy, sleepy weather, but your body needs the stimulation. Even mild exercise helps your body produce heat naturally. So instead of staying wrapped up in your blanket and sitting in front of the heater all day, go for a brisk walk or do some other kind of warm-up, like maybe playing a sport. You can choose your exercise regimens depending on your energy levels. You could go for a jog or a walk around your locality, or simply keep up with your daily yoga practice. That's the best. Yoga is a great way to calm your mind and stay healthy. There are different movements that help produce heat in the body for the cold season. The fourth way is to choose warm beverages and cooked food. In winters, it is best to avoid chilled beverages and cold food. Do away with your cold drinks and have a nice hot cup of Ayurvedic herbal tea instead. Opt for cooked food instead of grabbing junk food or cold snacks. Ayurveda advocates different tastes to match the rhythm of each season. In winter, it is best to choose sweet, sour, and salty food instead of bitter, astringent, and pungent flavors. And then the last tip is to use Ayurvedic herbal medicines to boost your immunity. Ayurvedic herbal medicines can relieve the symptoms of cold, cough, and fever, which are common in winters. The herbs in these medicines are beneficial for increasing body heat to balance your immunity in the cold. Follow these healthy tips to boost your immunity and stay healthy in the winters. Do like and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, pranam.